Today we'll be changing the blades on the Honda HRX217 lawnmower. Alright, this can be dangerous if you do not do this correctly or if you do not have the tools to do it correctly. I am not responsible for any damage or injuries or death resulting from using information in this video. Alright, first off we'll need a ratchet along with a 14mm socket. We'll need a 2x4 block of wood to keep the blades from rotating while we loosen or tightening the bolts. And of course we'll need a set of blades. As you can see, this mower takes 2 blades. These are OEM Honda blades. I'll put a link down in the description below. There are multiple variants of this mower, so please refer to your owner's manual to make sure you have the right parts. Torquing the bolts correctly is very critical to make sure that the blades do not come off during operation of the mower. You absolutely need to use a torque wrench to make sure that you torque the bolts correctly. If you don't torque it tight enough, the bolts might come off. If you torque it too tight, the bolt might get damaged and sheared and the blade will come off, which obviously can cause serious injuries. Also, due to the multiple variants of this mower, please refer to your owner's manual to make sure you have the correct torque value for your mower. First, we'll need to turn off the gas. We'll pull the spark plug cap off. Next, we need to have the mower rest on its right side. It is important that you rest it on its right side and not the left side. If you rest it on the left side, you can have fuel leaking out and oil leaking into the filter. We'll wedge a block of wood in there so that the blades do not rotate while we loosen the bolts. Make sure you only remove the 2 outer bolts and not the middle bolt. Here's how the blades were orientated. It is very important that we orientate the blades correctly when we install them. Quite a bit of good use out of these blades over 8 seasons. They actually don't look too bad. Keep these bolts in washer because we'll need to reuse them. Notice the orientation of the washer. Concave side is up. Alright, I'm going to take this opportunity to clean the underside of the deck. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt and grass debris built up. Alright, before installing these blades, we need to make sure we're orientated correctly. This tang is bowing up. You have a cutting edge right there, cutting edge right there, and cutting edge right there, and cutting edge right there. This is the top blade. Goes on like that. And as you can see, there's a slight offset when the bolt holes are lined up. Here's a better look. Alright, again, we'll be using the same bolt and washer. The washer concave side is up. These are specific high strength bolts, so do not just use some random bolts to install these blades. Alright, we'll wedge the block of wood on the opposite side of the blade as earlier, so that the blades do not rotate while we tighten the bolts. And again, you will need a torque wrench for this to make sure that you torque these bolts correctly. We'll need to tighten these 2 bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Alright, we'll plug the spark plug cap back on. And turn on the fuel. If this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe.